They call me Rex. R-E-X.
Finally, some slightly noticeable light blue fades starting to form. You can see the fading from the card holder I keep in my left pocket. Here are some crotch fades. Here are some slight whiskering fades. The front thigh area is showing some wear. Loving how the honeycomb fades are starting to form. And now, here's an on-body look. Thanks for watching, guys. Please hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more content.